Hi everyone, Jessica here. In today's video, we're going to dive into neural network architectures and learn about design choices and best practices. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more web dev and AI content. Let's explore the world of neural network architectures together. Choosing the right number of layers and neurons for your neural network can have a significant impact on its performance. Factors to consider include the complexity of the problem, the size of your dataset, and the desired level of abstraction. We'll discuss these factors and provide guidelines for making the best design choices. As we've discussed in a previous video, activation functions are essential components of neural networks. They introduce nonlinearity into the model and determine the output of each neuron. We'll review the most common activation functions and discuss how to choose the best one for your network architecture. Regularization and dropout techniques, which we explored in earlier videos, can also influence your neural network's architecture. By incorporating these techniques, you can create more robust and generalizable models. We'll provide a refresher on these techniques and discuss their role in designing neural network architectures. When designing a neural network architecture, it's essential to consider best practices such as starting simple and gradually increasing complexity, cross-validating your model, and monitoring its performance throughout the training process. We'll dive deeper into these best practices to help you create effective and efficient neural networks. We've just explored the ins and outs of neural network architectures, design choices, and best practices. Understanding these concepts is vital for building effective AI models. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment about your experience designing neural network architectures or any challenges you faced. Don't forget to subscribe for more web dev and AI content. Thanks for watching.